Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you one of the major important widget in Flutter, that is called as visibility widget. So first of all, we have to know where we are using this widget. If we want to hide any widget, in that case, this widget will be helpful to us. So let's start the code how to implement this widget. So inside the body, I'm taking a column widget. Inside the children, I'm taking one container widget, child, text, display, widget visible, text widget visible, text widget visible. I'm giving the name as text widget visible. I'm taking one more container below. Inside that I am taking the elevated button. Inside the child I'm giving the hide widget. So here, so when I click this button, I have to hide this one, hide this container widget. So what I will do, I will take one boolean for that, boolean hide widget, given the name as hide widget. Initially it will be true. Then I click on this. I'm making this as false. After that I'm calling satisfied. So for this container widget I'm wrapping that visibility widget. Visibility. Visible hide widget. See. Let's run the code. We'll see first of all output how it is coming. So if you see here now, first of all we are got the text widget. Second one hide widget button. Giving some margin between these two. Sized box height 30. Okay. Here also. Okay. Run this code. You see here text would get visible, hide would get. So when I click on this hide would get now, this text will be hidden. It will not appear. It will be disappear. When I click on this hide widget, now I'm clicking. See, the text has gone. The complete container has gone, not only text. So whatever the container we are wrapped to visibility, that container is hidden. So inside the container, whatever the widgets you will write, those all widgets also hidden because initially the height widget will be true, so visible true. So in that case, this widget will be appear. When I click on this button now, in the at that time height widget will becomes false. Then that time the visible will come false, so it will hide whatever the widget we are using inside this visibility, that completely that widget will not appear. So for that purpose we are using the visibility widget. So if you like the video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.